YT homies, what it do, what it do, and what it do. Alright y'all, it's your girl coming back in with another haul. And why am I so loud? Okay, let me tone it down just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. Alright, so it's your girl Alifia coming back for another video. For those of you that are new here, yes, like I just said, my name is Alifia. I don't know why I said that like that. I said that in another video like that, but that's neither here nor there. Anyway, my name is Alifia. Thank you for joining me for a video, or thank you for joining me for another video. And to my oldie but goodies, thank you guys so much for riding with your girl. Also, for those of you that are joining us for Kinks and Drinks on Friday nights, baby, we are having a blast. We are having a blast. So please do join us. It's me and 4 other ladies, and we can have some other ladies. We don't have, it's 5 of us right now. It was 4 of us. Now it's 5 of us right now that are doing, well, it was 3 of us, 4 of us, 5. There was 3 of us, then there was 4 of us, and now there's 5 of us. Yes, that's how it goes. But anyway, so this coming Friday, which I don't know whether this video will be out before then, but we will be streaming on Napalicious TV. So please join us there to check out Kinks and Drinks, where we kind of chit chat, we have some drinks, and we just talk about whatever. We talk about natural hair, we talk about our locks, because you know, girl, you know your girl is not. Okay, sometimes I don't know how to act. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. This video is a haul video, so let me just go ahead and just give a backstory before I go in with this haul. Right, okay. So I placed 3 orders, 3 with Pat McGrath. All 3 of them I got a discount. Yes, your girl needs a discount code to shop with Pat McGrath. But anyway, I placed 3 orders. The first 2 orders were made on the 17th, I believe it was, when the dark, yeah, the 17th, when the Dark Star mascara came out. And I made those purchases because of the Dark Star mascara. But the first purchase, I saw it, but I didn't pay attention to it. The Dark Star mascara with the mask, and then there was a Dark Star mascara by itself. I ordered the one by itself. Well, the second order, I went back in and I ordered the one with the mask. Well, when I ordered the one with the mask, both of them were supposed to arrive on the 21st, but the one with the mask never arrived. So long story short, I contacted UPS, I contacted Pat McGrath and all that kind of stuff, the customer service, and there's a little bit of back and forth, but that order has been replaced and it's coming. When it's coming, I don't know. So I do have the Dark Star mascara, but the Dark Star mascara with my mask, I don't have that as of yet. Okay, so now that I've got that out of the way, I'm going to share with you some Pat McGrath things, some Fenty things, and some Tarte things, because I did a Pat McGrath, Fenty, and Tarte. I should have did the Pat McGrath and the Fenty by themselves because they're the black owned, but I'm gonna go ahead and add the Tarte stuff with it. So this is not going to be a totally black owned, because I kind of want to just do it all together. Right. So anyway, and everything I got was on sale, because y'all already know your girl likes to shop with a sale. So with that being said, the first 2 things I want to show you are these right here. These are the, what are they? iEcstasy Sublime and iEcstasy Subversive. So these palettes right here are $14 by themselves, or it was $28 together. Well, let me show y'all this right here. Don't y'all think this necklace is too cute? I wore it in another video, but it's from Paparazzi, and I buy my Paparazzi jewelry from my sister, and I will try to find her link and link it in the description box below. So if you are a Paparazzi person, support my sister for me, please. Thank you. I have some other things, but I'm not going to show all them in this haul. So anyway, oh yeah, this little palette does have the colors on the back of it. So this is what it looks like, and I'm not swatching anything. Yeah, these are so little. They're okay. They're not as big as I thought they would be, but these are some very pretty colors. All right, and then this one, oh, this one is the prettiest. Looks like this. Very pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this blue. And oops, look at this. I just got my whole life with that one swipe. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. I'm totally in love. Oh my God. So I just have all this stuff laid out, so I'm not going to do Pat McGrath, Fenty, whatever. I'm just going to go in the order in which it's laid out. And so the next thing that I did get is the Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer from Fenty Beauty. This is the box and this is the primer. And I actually used this primer for my eye look tonight, and I used a new Pat McGrath palette that I have for this eye look. So yeah, I've been using concealers for eye primer versus primer, but 30% off, I went ahead and decided to give this a try. The next thing is a Pat McGrath lippy, and look at these little boxes. I think they are so cute. These are what these are like the lip balms. So this one is the lip fetish, and this one is in clear. So I have several different ones, and like I said, it's clear. There's nothing, and I like to keep lip balms and stuff on me because I like to have something just to throw on my lips. Even though I'm wearing a mask, I still keep something on my lips because I don't like dry lips. I hate dry lips. I hate dry lips. All right, the next one is a lip fetish, and this is in number 526 Wild Cherry. And this one is like, you look at the tube, and P looked at the tube, and when I put it on, she was like, where's the color? I was like, it's just like a balm. It's not that vibrant like a regular color would be. So there it is. So there is some color to it, but it's just not like a lipstick would be. And then I have another one, and this one is $5.25, and it's Full Fantasy, and this is what it looks like. It's just it's like a pink. Not like a pink, it is a pink. And there it is right there. And these I'm just going to just take them and pop them in my purse, just so when I need some balm on, I have them. And the next thing, and y'all saw me use this in another video, and this is the Perma Gel Ultra Lip Pencil, and the color that I did get is in the color Night Fever. So these items that I did purchase were on sale, and then I had a 20% coupon. So here is the lip pencil, and it also came with a sharpener, which is really neat. Kind of breaks up a little bit. That's the one thing that I don't like about it, because it kind of breaks up. Alright, and then the next thing is the Dark Star Mascara, and here is the case, and here is the mascara. I don't have her other mascara to compare it to, but I do like this mascara, and this is the most expensive mascara I have ever purchased, but once again, I had a code, so I'm glad I did have a code to get 20% off, because this mascara is $30 if I didn't have a code. And then from Fenty, I got me another What It Do spray. Y'all already know I really do like this spray, so 30% off, why not get another one? And then the next thing, I got me another primer, the True Matte Primer. Y'all know I am a combination oily girl, so I need a matte primer. And then y'all, I don't know what I'm gonna do about those other setting powders I have, because Fenty Banana Powder has came and stole the show. So I do have another Fenty Banana Powder, and like I said, these things were 30% off. I forget why they were 30% off. What was going on? Cause I forget what the code was, why they were 30% off, but I got another one of these. And then another thing that I got from Pat McGrath is the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership. Which one is this? I think it's a 6, yeah. The Mothership 6 palette. Here it is. And it was on sale for $100, and I had a 10% coupon code, so it was $90. But this is what it looks like. I do want the Mothership 4. And this is actually what I use for my look tonight. I really do like the colors of this palette, and I'm glad I did go ahead and get it. And y'all already know who my pushy is, that, yeah. I'm just gonna leave that right there. I'm not gonna say her name. I'm not gonna tell y'all that Nappylicious was the one that told. I'm not gonna say nothing about Nappylicious. I'm not. Alright, so from Tarte. Tarte had their Friends and Family sale, but they also, at the same time they had their Friends and Family sale, they had 50% off of their concealers, and then they had some other things on sale. So from Tarte, what did I get? I got the Tarteist Pro Flutter Faves Lash Case. So this is the box. and I got this case right here, and I thought it was so cute. It was on sale for $10, and I hate it's washing out, but it's just a lash case. So I'm going to assume that that is lash glue over there, but there are spots for 4 different lashes, and this will keep me from having, because I have like 3 or 4 different lashes open at one time, and this will keep me from having to have all those different cases. So I can just take them out of the case and put them in here. So I thought this was really neat. And then I got this right here, and I'm kind of a little bit ticked that I got it because it came really melted. I guess the heat got it, but it is the Contour Like a Pro, the Sculptor, and it is the number 3 Park Avenue Princess, but it's like a contour stick, and it's really, really soft, but I'm going to swatch it anyway, and it's just chalk. It's just breaking up. I don't know. I may have to email them about it, and you can see there, and it's really, really dark, and it was on sale. I think it was on sale for $10, but it's like not in the best shape, like I said, because it's just crumbling. It's just like, I don't know, and I hate to just send back one little thingamajig, you know what I mean? So I don't know. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. And then I of course got a couple of their concealers. So the 2 concealers I got 47S, which is one that I already have. So here's the concealer, and this one right here is like the darker one, and I have this, so I want to go ahead and get a backup of it because y'all, if I were ever a whore, I'm a concealer whore. I'm just gonna say that. I love different concealers. I love trying concealers. And then I also got the 44H. I got that one. It's a little bit lighter. It's like 2 shades lighter because I do have the 30, what number is it? The 38N, and while I do use this one, I just think this one is too many shades lighter than this one. So that's why I wanted to get those 2. And then Tarte sent something, they had something free, just came out or whatever, and it's the Clean Queen hand sanitizer, and I got this free with my order. And of course I got free shipping, like free express shipping and stuff. Y'all, why does thing keep playing with it? I mean, why does stuff wash the camera out? It just irks my nerves. But anyway, I haven't used it yet, but let me see what it smells like. Nice, clean, pleasant smell. Ooh, I can smell the alcohol in it though. So yeah, that's my new hand sanitizer, and it was free. So yeah, that is it for this haul, y'all. I have some other things coming, y'all, because y'all know I decluttered. So you should see that video before this one. Not decluttered enough because I still have some more stuff that I'm decluttering currently, but you'll see that video as I make those declutter videos. And so, but yeah, that is it. That is all I have for this video. I do appreciate you coming. Oh, y'all. Yeah, anyway, that's it. I do appreciate you all coming to check out another video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. And if there are any requests that you have, or if anything that you would like to see here on my channel, girl, go ahead, leave that down in the comment section, because guess what? I got you, boo. I got you. We riding like that. So as I always say, until the next time in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.